Day 61. Here's the fastest way to turn social chatter into actual market research. So I was listening to this How I AI podcast and heard a Google PM demo how she does quick market research using Perplexity, which mind blown. Perplexity, I was not familiar with your game. I'd been using this tool for months but had no idea that it had this like social search capability, which she showed off. And here's how it works. So if you go to Perplexity, and it also works on the free plan, by the way, you click this little globe and then you can set the sources. And you can actually set the sources to social, which would mean it'll search things like LinkedIn and Reddit. I feel like it more prioritizes Reddit and just like social sources of information. And for her, what she had this like two-step process. And so I'll apply it with a AI meeting note taker. So first she typed in, would anyone want idea? And so we can say like, would anyone want an AI meeting note taker? Great. And it found 20 sources, gets you some answers. We know AI likes to bias to tell you, it always answers like really affirmatively, but the cool thing about this is you get actual threads. So you can be like, oh, like, what people are saying. And it just surfaces those threads, which is really interesting. And then the second part that she put, which was now create two agents, one that is pro the idea and one that is against the idea. Use everything you can read and have these two agents debate at least 20 times, yada, yada, and like build the minimum set of features you would need in order to convince the against agent. And then it does that and it gives you some arguments. So key debates, like across 20 post rounds, these are the main axes. So it's very interesting because she added this like virtual debate, which I think hopefully helps hedge against the general positivity of a lot of these LLMs because they'll just give you the answer that you want or you're looking for. This one was a very like a saturated, super simple idea, but you could imagine that you could apply some of this to things that are a little bit more niche, explore even just like the social search, just like explore what people are saying in Reddit or in social. Sometimes it's brought up like LinkedIn as well as sources. So super cool. I'm excited to play with this more. And that's it for me today.